You're in trouble. I can't wait to get that 100 back. What's up, guys? Jeff Cavaliere, Athlean-X.com.
And Jesse.
You're a little salty here, Jesse. Is it because you lost the last hang time challenge we had?
Well, I did win $100 and a giraffe.
No. There's video footage, Jesse. You stole the $100 back from me and the giraffe.
Okay, on to the next point.
All right, so I want to get my money back. So we're going to have another challenge.
Okay, I get to pick the challenge.
Okay, what is it?
Pull-ups. You got to get to 50.
No problem. Want to start right now?
I only have to do 40.
Wait, so I do 50,
Yep.
and you got to do 40.
Yeah, it's a scalable challenge.
Explain this to me.
Okay, if you can do 15 or more pull-ups in a set, you got to get to 50 reps total.
Okay.
9 to 14 reps, it's 40 reps.
Like in your max set, right?
Yes.
Okay. 9 to 14, 40 reps. So that's why you're doing 40.
Exactly.
All right.
4 to 8 is 30 reps. And if you do 3 pull-ups or less, it's 15 reps.
All right. Now, and if people are struggling with pull-ups to do that many, I definitely would recommend you watch our pull-up tutorial on how to build up those pull-up numbers up to at least 5.
Yeah.
All right. So now, how are we enforcing this?
You got to get your chin all the way up over the bar.
Okay.
You got to come all the way down, and then you got to pause for a second.
So we're gonna
count the rep.
We'll count the rep at the bottom. In other words, we count out the rep at the bottom.
Right.
All right. Cool. So.
But it's not just reaching 50 reps.
Right.
It's actually how many sets it takes you to get to 50 reps. Or for me, 40 reps.
All right, I got it. So the challenge here is how many sets does it take you to hit that number?
Yes.
That is the number.
Yep.
And what I'll do is at the end of the video, guys, we'll put up the scale so you can see where you stand.
Yeah.
All right, and then there's no rest time. In other words, however long it takes me to go up there, once I'm done, you jump up, you go, and we keep going until we hit our number.
Exactly.
I want my 100 back. Let's go.
Good luck.
You're up. Your challenge.
You want me to start
You
first?
go. You got the honors. So I'm going to keep track over here, okay? So we'll go what the set you do and then the total reps that you do in that set. We'll keep a running total of the reps as you go down.
Okay.
Remember,
Ready?
I'll count for you.
Okay.
All right, here we go. 1. Remember that pause. 2. 3. 4. 5. You're showing off that new tattoo. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Get that chin up. 11.
All right.
Go, 11, first set. I go. There's a strategy here too. 1.
1,
Sorry.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
I'll stop there.
17.
I'll stop there.
All right, mark it down.
Set 1. 17. So 17 to 11. But you got 40, I got 50. Let's go.
All right.
1, get up over that bar. 2. 3. 4. 5. Might want to play the strategy game here. Oh, by their beard. 6.
So that's set 2.
You got 6.
That's 17.
You're in trouble.
Oh, I'm in big trouble.
I can't wait to get that 100 back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh my God, that got hard. Quick. 8.
All right.
25. I'm halfway home. Oh, this is supposed to be 2 here.
Oh, yeah. All right. Playing the smart game here now.
1. So there's a strategy. You may not want to take it all the way to failure because the quick turnaround here in between sets. What was that? 3, 2, 3.
Great.
I Well, that brings you to 20, so you're halfway after 3 sets. I'm halfway after 2.
Oh, you think you're awesome, don't you?
My math tells me that I will get there quicker by doing it that way.
We'll see.
All right.
Come on, old man. 1, 2, 3, 4.
They're gonna hold it there. I'm gonna hold it there.
All right.
29, oh, I should have done one more. All right, 29.
Okay.
3 sets. 1. See a strategy, I got you back up on the bar faster.
3 again.
3. You're making it harder on me because you're only going for a few seconds.
It's part of the strategy.
23.
Yep.
Oh my God. It's
Down set 4, right?
this rest time that's killing me.
What do you got?
1, 2,
3,
4. Get one more. Nah, go down. 5.
5, 6.
Okay.
All right.
What's that?
35.
Oh my God. 15 left. Let's go.
Whew.
You got 17 left. 1, 2, hold it down.
I got one more.
Oh wow. You pulled the 4th one out.
Let me try 5.
You're done, you're toast.
Yeah,
No.
that's it.
So on the 5th set, you got 4,
27.
27. You got 13 left. If I did 2 here, that would keep us tied.
All right, let's go.
Don't rush me.
1, 2, 3. Ooh, 4. Just by the hair on your chin.
A little pop on my shoulder on that one.
39.
39. All right. So I've got 11 left. You've got 13. 1, all the way down. 2. There's 2.
Oh
6.
man, I suck.
29. 29.
This is not fun. I'm losing that line for sure.
Well, obviously, if you were doing this on your own and you were resting longer, you'd probably have fewer sets, but it's the quick turnaround time that we're going
This is a
for.
long rest you got here.
I was, trying to draw this out. All right.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
All right, set 6. You are at
42.
42.
All right. I got to finish this in 2 more sets. 1, 2.
Stuck at the 2.
7, 31. At that pace, you got about 8 more sets.
Shit.
All right, I got 8 left, right?
Yep.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I think I'll leave it there. I gotta get more. My last 4 in set 8. 46.
Trying to do math.
Let's
I'm
go.
not good at it. Hold on, let me shake out. Give
I
myself
know.
a few seconds like you did.
Stall tactic. I'm familiar with it.
1, 2.
There's your 2. Get a 3rd.
Oh, I can't get 3. Damn it.
So by my math, that leaves you at 33 in 8 sets. If I get my 4, I'm done in 8 sets. That 100's coming back here, right in my pocket. All right.
This isn't fair.
4.
1, 2, 3. Oh.
I'm over there.
4.
I'm over there.
Bastard. Oh, looks like you got 50.
I right, how long is it gonna take you? Let's go. Don't keep them waiting too long. Let's go.
Keep me at least 2 more sets.
Don't keep them waiting too long. There's 34, 35. Maybe it's easier that way. 30, 35. Let me give you a reprieve. I'll jump up there for my 1 rep just in case there's any question about that last one.
Fair.
Is that one better?
That one's way better.
Okay. Even if that is my 9th set, that's still beating you. Come on, 5 more. Let's go. 1, 2. Come on. Oh! That's 10.
Guys, this is way harder than you think.
37.
You're gonna get 3 more?
3 more. You get, listen, they're pulling for you. 3 in this 1 set. You haven't been able to get 3 since set 4.
Oh man, don't rub it in.
You went 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Give me a 3. 1.
Oh, I can't even get 2 there. Wait.
Set 11. 38. You're just dragging out this video time. That's what you're doing. He's looking for the watch time. Watch time. There's 1. 1 more, 1 more.
Oh.
Get up there. Shake it out. Let's go. 12. 39. Let's go.
1 more, baby. 1 more.
And no momentum. Get up there. Pull it up. There you go. Unlucky number 13, Jesse.
That sucks.
Unlucky number 13. All right, so there you are, guys. A challenge as easy as it sounds, just 50 pull-ups or 40 or 30 or 15. It's a lot harder to execute it, especially if you're on those short rest times. Where this stacks up, when you do the challenge, remember, do it at the level that you're at, and however many sets it takes, here's your scoring. Jesse, while you're at it, while you got a little bit of swole, you might as well show off your new tattoo. That's as big as the Eagle's ever gonna get. I can tell you that. Guys, remember, push yourself on this. It's actually pretty fun, especially if you have somebody to do it with. If you're looking for programs where we build challenges into everything we do to push you to the levels that you're not even sure you're capable of, they're all built into all of our programs at Athlean-X.com. If you found the video helpful, make sure you leave your comments and thumbs up below. And also, guys, if you haven't done so, make sure you click subscribe and turn your notifications so you never miss a new video when we put one out. Can I have my 100, please?
I gotta go edit a video or something.
Oh, jeez.